नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम लोग महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड के क्लास 10th साइंस पार्ट 2 का फर्स्ट लेसन हेरिडिटी एंड इवैल्यूएशन पढ़ने चल रहे हैं और एक ही वीडियो में इसे कंप्लीट कवर करेंगे। आइए देखते हैं फर्स्ट हेडिंग हेरिडिटी। हेरिडिटी क्या है? द ट्रांसफर ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टर वन जनरेशन टू अदर जनरेशन विथ द हेल्प ऑफ जीन्स इज कॉल्ड हेरिडिटी. Johannes Gregor Mendel is the pioneer father of modern genetics. All living organisms have DNA as genetic material. The science of heredity is used for diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of heredity disorder. Production of hybrid varieties of animal and plant and in industrial process in which microbes are used are known as heredity. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग है ट्रांसक्रिप्शन. ट्रांसक्रिप्शन किससे कहते हैं उसके बारे में हम पढ़ने वाले. आरएनए पॉलीमर्स, आरएनए न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स, यहाँ पे ये न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स है, आरएनए न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स. उसके बाद इसके देखते हैं हम सेंट्रल डोग्मा और यहाँ पे ट्रांसक्रिप्शन है. तो देखिए सेंट्रल डोग्मा क्या है? द प्रोटीन्स आर सिंथेसाइज्ड बाय डीएनए थ्रू आरएनए. प्रोटीन आर सिंथेसाइज्ड बाय डीएनए थ्रू आरएनए. दिस इज कॉल्ड सेंट्रल डोग्मा. mRNA are produced as per sequence of nucleotides on DNA. The sequence of nucleotides on mRNA being produced is always complementary to DNA. Started use for synthesis. There is uracil in RNA instead of thymine. This process of RNA synthesis is called transcription. Triplet codon. The code of each amino acid consists of 3 nucleotides. It is called as triplet codon. Translation: the message of mRNA amino acid are supplied by tRNA. For this purpose, tRNA as anticodon having complementary sequence to the codon on mRNA. This is called as translation. In other word, दूसरे शब्दों में क्या? ये लाइन यहां से इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगी. The process by which DNA is copied by RNA is called transcription, and by which RNA is used to produce protein is called translation. Next heading है ट्रांसलोकेशन. डायग्राम है ये. अब इसके बारे में अ जेनेटिक चेंज इन विच अ पीस ऑफ वन क्रोमोसोम ब्रेक्स ऑफ एंड अटैच टू अनदर क्रोमोसोम. समटाइम्स पीसेस फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट क्रोमोसोम विल ट्रेड प्लेस with each other is called translocation. A genetic change in which a piece of one chromosome breaks off and attaches to another chromosome. Sometimes pieces from two different chromosomes will trade place with each other is called translocation. Next heading है म्यूटेशन. मेन सीक्वेंस ऐसे रहता है और रिप्लेसमेंट वाले ए ऐसे चेंज हो जाता है. मतलब ए के प्लेस पे ये आ गया. तो अ चेंज इन डीएनए सीक्वेंस ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म आर कॉल्ड म्यूटेशन. अ चेंज इन डीएनए सीक्वेंस ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म आर कॉल्ड म्यूटेशन. म्यूटेशन कैन रिजल्ट error in DNA replication during cell division. For example, mutation may cause genetic disorder like sickle cell anemia. Evaluation. Point wise है evaluation. Evaluation is gradual change occurring in living organism over a long duration. Second, formation of new species due to change in specific character of several generation of living organism as response to natural selection is called as evaluation. Third, first primitive type of cell may have been formed from the mixture of different type of organic and inorganic compounds. Fourth, some may have shown good growth and some may have preceded which could not adjust with the surrounding. Fifth, animal diversity ranges from unicellular amoeba and paramecium to man and giant whale. Sixth, plant diversity consists of various species ranging from unicellular chlorella to huge banyan tree. Gradually changes 7 point gradually changes occurred in unicellular organism were formed. Eighth, all these changes were slow and gradual duration of all these changes is at most 300 crore year. Fifth, progressive development of plant and animal from the ancestors having different structural and functional organization is called evaluation. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग इंपॉर्टेंट यहीं से है सबसे ज़्यादा, एविडेंस ऑफ इवेल्युएशन. ये 6 टाइप के होते हैं जिसको यहाँ फ्लो चार्ट में दिखाया गया. फर्स्ट, मार्फोलॉजिकल एविडेंस. सेकंड, एनाटॉमिकल एविडेंस. थर्ड, वेस्टिजियल ऑर्गन्स. फोर्थ, प्लैनेटोलॉजिकल एविडेंस. फिफ्थ, कनेक्टिंग लिंक. सिक्स, एम्ब्रोलॉजिकल एविडेंस. तो फर्स्ट वाला देखते हैं. ये तीनों जब भी आएगा ये 3 मार्क का क्वेश्चन बनता है यहां से. अब देखिए फर्स्ट हेडिंग, मार्फोलॉजिकल एविडेंस. वेरियस सिमिलरिटीज लाइक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ माउथ, पोजीशन ऑफ आईज, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ नोस्ट्रिल एंड ईयर्स, पिना एंड थिकी distributed hair on body are seen in animals. Similarities in character like leaf shape, leaf venation, leaf petiole, etc. occur in case of plant. Therefore, it shows that their origin must be same. Their origin must be same. Next heading, anatomical evidence. There are no similarities between in human hand and foreleg of axe, flipper of whale, and patagium of bat. There is similarities between structure of bones and joint in organs as shown in diagram. Human hands, 4 legs of ox, patagium of bat और फ्लिपर ऑफ व्हेल. ये स्ट्रक्चर है. अब नेक्स्ट हेडिंग है वेस्टिजियल ऑर्गन. डीजनरेटेड और अंडर डेवलप्ड यूजलेस ऑर्गन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म आर कॉल्ड एज वेस्टिजियल ऑर्गन. सेकेंड, अपेंडिक्स विच इज यूजलेस टू ह्यूमन इज यूजफुल एंड फुल्ली फंक्शनल ऑर्गन इन ruminants. Muscles of ear. Third, muscles of ear pinna and useless in human while useful in monkeys. Fourth, various vestigial organ like tailbone, wisdom teeth and body hair are present in body human being. Fourth heading, plantological evidence. First point, large number of organism get buried due to disaster like flood, earthquake, volcano, etc. Remains and impression of such organism remains preserved underground. These are called as fossils. Second, the time passed since the death of plant or animal can be calculated by measuring the radioactive activity of C14 and ratio of C14 to C12 present in their body. This is called carbon dating. Fourth, Carbon dating is method is based upon the radioactive decay of natural occurring C14 and it is developed by Willard Libby. Next heading, most important heading, connecting link. Some plant and animals show some morphological character by which they can be related to two different groups. Hence, they are called as connecting link. For example, in Peripatus, character like segmented body, thin cuticles, and parapodia-like organ are present. Peripatus is connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. Fourth, duckbill lays egg like reptiles but shows relationship between with mammals. Fifth, lungfish perform respiration with lungs irrespective of being fish. Sixth, evidence, embryological evidence. Embryological evidence. Embryological shows extreme similarities during initial stage. Those similarities decreases gradually. In initial stage indicate the common origin of all these animals. अब यहाँ पे एम्ब्रोलॉजिकल एविडेंस डायग्राम वाइज आपको दिखाया जा रहा है. ये फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड स्टेज का है. ये फर्स्ट स्टेज, ये सेकंड स्टेज. फर्स्ट स्टेज में एम्ब्रोज सभी के क्या है, ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर है. सेकंड में थोड़ा सा चेंज आया है. नाउ थर्ड, सेकंड एंड थर्ड स्टेज यहाँ पे देखिए फिश बन गया, सेलिमेंडर बन गया, टॉर्टोइज बन गया, चिकन और पिग. नेक्स्ट, और यहाँ पे काऊ बन गया, रैबिट बन गया, मैन बन गया. नेक्स्ट थ्री थे. अब देखते हैं नेक्स्ट थियरी जिसका नाम है डार्विन थियरी ऑफ नेचुरल सिलेक्शन. डार्विन थियरी ऑफ नेचुरल सिलेक्शन. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, डार्विन इज फेमस फॉर थियरी which he published titled Origin of Species. Second, Darwin theory is natural selection is based on concept survival of fittest. Organism can reproduce prolifically. Fourth, under the limited resources, organism compete with each other in a life for their survival. Fifth, according to this theory of natural selection was widely accepted for long duration. What are the Darwin's main objection? तो ऑब्जेक्शन में इनके थे. The Darwin main objection was natural selection is not the only factor responsible for evaluation. Darwin did not mention any explanation about useful and useless modification. Third, there is no explanation about show changes and abort changes. Irrespective of all these objections, Darwin work on evaluation has been milestone. Next heading, Lamarckism. According to Lamarckism, morphological changes occurring in living organisms. This concept was based on principle of use or disuse of organs. Second, morphological changes may occur gradually, either give to specific activities. Third, for example, browsing on leaves of fallen plant caused the neck of giraffe to become long. Fourth, inactivity caused weakening wings of birds like ostrich and emu have become weak due to no use. Fifth, legs of bird like swan and duck have become useful for swimming due to living in water, and snakes have lost their legs by modification in their body for browsing habit. 6. The living organism can transfer the character which it has acquired to next generation. This is called ancestry of acquired character. This is called as theory of inheritance of acquired character or Lamarckism. Last most important heading, human evaluation. Human evaluation. The biodiversity that is known today has been said to be formed from very simple unicellular organism due to evaluation. Monkey-like animals are said to be evolved from some ancestor who were more or less similar to the modern lemurs. Third, monkey-like animal developed due to enlargement in brain and their hand also improved. Fourth, first human-like animal erect posture which were using their hands have evolved about 2 crore years ago. Fifth, first record of human-like animal is with us in the form of Ramapithecus ape from the North India and East Africa. 6. Morphology of human-like animal is genus Homo. 7th, evaluation of upright man continued in direction of developing its brain for the period of about 1 lakh year, and meanwhile it is discovered for the fire. 8th, brain of 50,000-year-old man considered as members of class-wise man Homo sapiens. 9th, Neanderthal man can be considered as the first example of wise man. The Cro-Magnon man evolved about 50,000 years ago, and afterwards this evaluation had been faster than the earlier. अब एक्सरसाइज के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं. जैसे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में द कैजुअलिटी बिहाइंड द सडन चेंजेस वाज अंडरस्टूड ड्यू टू, यहाँ पे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स था, म्यूटेशन वर्ड आ जाएगा. म्यूटेशन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ह्यूज वेरीज. नेक्स्ट है सेकंड, द प्रूफ फॉर द फैक्ट दैट प्रोटीन सिंथेसाइज ऑकर्स थ्रू, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा जीन्स, वाज गिवन बाय जॉर्ग बेडल्स एंड इवार्ड टॉटम. थर्ड, ट्रांसफर ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ डीएनए टू एमआरएनए इज कॉल्ड, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा ट्रांसक्रिप्शन प्रोसेस. फोर्थ, इवेल्युएशन मीन्स ग्रेजुअली, यहाँ पे ग्रेजुअल आ जाएगा, ग्रेजुअल डेवलपमेंट. वेस्टिजियल ऑर्गन अपेंडिक्स प्रेजेंट, यहाँ पे वर्ड आ जाएगा अपेंडिक्स प्रेजेंट इन ह्यूमन बॉडी इज प्रूफ ऑफ इवेल्युएशन. अब एक आ गया कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग डायग्राम. डायग्राम को कंप्लीट करना है. एविडेंस ऑफ इवेल्युएशन कौन सा हो जाएगा? प्लेटिनोलॉजिकल एविडेंस, कनेक्टिंग लिंक, सिमिलरिटीज इन बोन्स स्ट्रक्चर, मॉर्फोलॉजिकल. तो ये आपका सेकंड चैप्टर हो गया कंप्लीट. थैंक यू.